This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap.
Good afternoon. This is the Market Wrap. I'm Jack Lott here on the JDfn Financial Network. Stocks scoring solid gains for a third day today, with investors cheering by an optimistic profit report from the technology bellwether Cisco Systems earlier today, and signs of an improvement in the troubled credit and housing markets. U.S. wholesalers' inventories rose by 0.5% for the second month in a row in June, once again pushing higher by rising stockpiles of petroleum. At the same time, those sales at the wholesale level outpaced the growth inventories, rising by 0.6% with modest gain in industries. Crude supplies fell by 4.1 million barrels to 340.4 million barrels in the week ending August 3rd. Motor gasoline inventories fell by 1.7 million barrels in the latest week. The distillate supplies rose by 1 million barrels. Refineries operated at 91.3% of capacity in the latest week. Mortgage applications rose for the first time in 3 weeks as interest rates fell sharply and demand surged for home purchasing and refinancing loans. And Lawrence Yun of the National Association of Realtors said that stricter lending standards and a widening credit crunch will deepen the U.S. housing slump. Sales of previously owned homes probably will fall 6.8%, according to Yun, to 6.04 million in 2007. That's more than the 5.6% decline it forecast just a month ago. Bank of England indicated it will have to raise the benchmark interest rate once more as record oil costs and rising food prices keep inflation above its target for the next couple of years or so. In earnings news today, we had mentioned it earlier, Cisco Systems reporting higher than anticipated earnings on a boost in quarterly sales. Cisco reported net income of $1.9 billion, or 31 cents a share. Analysts were expecting Cisco to report earnings of 35 cents a share for the quarter. Sprint Nextel posting a lower quarterly profit, but beat analyst average forecasts as it added new subscribers. Progress Energy said that its second quarter loss widened to $193 million, or 75 cents a share, that from $47 million in the year-ago period. Toll Brothers said it expects to report a decline in quarterly home building revenue as the U.S. housing crisis deepens. And Avis Budget Group, Inc., that's CAR is their stock symbol, said it had a profit in the second quarter helped by higher car rental volumes across the country. Scheduled economic reports coming out tomorrow. It's a rather slow week. Tomorrow's Thursday. That means the initial jobless claims coming out at 8:30 Eastern Time. That's the report for the week of August 4th. Scheduled earnings reports tomorrow. Some of the marquee names include California Pizza Kitchen, DirecTV, HealthSouth, Briggs & Stratton, Lionsgate Entertainment, IMAX, Wild Oats Markets, and Air France KLM. Those are just some of the marquee names you can expect on the earnings calendar coming up on Thursday. Some of the stocks in the news. General Motors traded higher today after it was announced that a Russian investor has taken a less than 5% holding in the automaker. Bob Evans Farms July same-store sales rose 4.4%, and Churchill Downs second quarter net income fell 12% to $29.3 million. And that's the Market Wrap. On this Wednesday, I'm Jack Lott here on the JDfn Financial Network.